Hello, happy Monday and welcome back, Kipsters. We are going to continue working on our conversion problems, and remember, when we do a conversion, I'm going to write that word for us just so we can hear it and see it. When we do a conversion, all we're doing is we are changing from one measurement to another, and they're still equivalent, just like 1 day equals 24 hours, and 1 week equals 7 days. These are just two ways to say the same thing, just like you could say Miss Tate or my crazy math teacher. Okay, so what we're going to do in this problem, let's check it out. An adult human body contains 10 pints of blood. Ugh. That's why I'm using my red pen for you guys today. It's actually some of my students' old blood that used to drive me crazy. How many fluid ounces is the equivalent of 10 pints? So, this word equivalent just means equal. That's why we're making a conversion. We're just going from one thing to another. So let's underline our question. How many fluid ounces is the equivalent of 10 pints? Check. There's not too many important numbers here. We have 10 pints, and we're changing that to fluid ounces. Notice that it says fluid because we're dealing with a liquid. Our blood is liquid inside of our bodies. Let's draw a diagram or picture to help us out. So we know that we have in our body, we have 10 pints of blood. And we want to change pints to fluid ounces. So I'm going to use a T-chart to help me out. I know the pints, but I don't know the fluid ounces. So let's look at our reference materials on our orange paper. Here it says, I know this is under volume and capacity because my body has volumes of blood. I can see that 1 pint is equal to 2 cups, and then 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. So I'm actually going to need to make a double hop from pints to cups, and then from cups to fluid ounces. Notice it says ounces here, and it says ounces down here. This is why we had to make sure we're saying fluid ounces, because we're in a liquid, we're not in how much something weighs. So let's first go from pints to cups. I know that 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. So I can draw my P from my gallon man and put 2 C's. Just like I put 2 chocolates on my pillow in the Grand Hotel. I'm looking for the cups. What do I know? That 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. So 2 pints would be equal to 4 cups. All I'm doing is timesing by 2. However many pints I have, I times it by 2 to figure out how many cups I have. But in this problem, I have 10 pints. So I have to do 10 times 2, which makes 20 cups. Okay? So right now I know that I have 20 cups. However, I'm not trying to figure out the cups. I want to figure out the fluid ounces. Remember, the stars are always going to be evil, so they're probably going to have 20 as one of your answers. But 20 is just the cups and not the ounces. So now, we need to go from cups to FL for fluid, OZ for ounces. Now I need to go from cups to fluid ounces. To go back on my chart, I now know that I have 20 cups, and each 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. Okay, so 1 cup is equal to 8 ounces. 2 cups, I'm just continuing the pattern. I'm timing by 8, so I'm going to times by 8 again, make 16. But I have 20 cups. So the 2 can help me because I know that 2 times 8 is 16. 20 times 8 is just going to be 16 tenths. So 160. So we drew a diagram to help us out. I think we solved it. Let's go back and make sure we got it. So we started with 10 pints, and we're changing pints to fluid ounces. On our chart, we know that 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. So I first changed 10 times 2, which made 20 cups. Then I had to change my cups to my ounces. I know that in every cup there's 8 ounces. So in 20 cups there'd be 160. So in our body there's 160 fluid ounces of blood. Ugh. A typical water bottle is about 16 ounces. So that means that you have like 10 water bottles of blood in your body. So I'm going to carefully grid it down here and make sure I put my answer correctly. I have 160. There's no decimals here. It's 160 whole ounces. 1, 6, 0. Thank you guys for watching. Please try your best on the independent practice, and you can check your answer on Edpuzzle.